Huawei Honor Play, and let me show you how to reset browser on the following device. So in that case it will be the Google Chrome, so let me open the Chrome right here. So let me tap accept and continue in my case. Basically let me open some page and let's use here more key and select here settings. From the list of settings let's choose here privacy right here, scroll down and choose clear browsing data. So you can use the basic cleaner or you can choose advanced. Here you can clear browsing history, cookies and site data, cached image and files, save passwords, autofill, form data, site settings and media license. Alright, so let me clear all of them, and you can also choose the time range, so you can clear all data from last hour or for example from all time. So let me choose all time, choose clear data, and that's it. You just clear browser data. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.